Hello students, today we are going to discuss another numerical problem from the chapter chemical calculations. Okay, so at first we have to read the question properly. So 24 grams of a mixture of KClO3 and KCl on heating produces 7.6 grams of oxygen. Calculate the percentage of KClO3 in the mixture. So in my previous videos I have already told you that at first we have to decide which chemical reaction we have to consider. So here oxygen is produced from KClO3, so we have to consider a chemical reaction in which KClO3 is producing oxygen, right? So this one should be our chemical equation. 2KClO3 to 2KCl plus 3O2 upon heating. Now we have to calculate the molar masses of the products and reactants. So here we have to consider this product only. Okay, so what is the molar mass of this one? 2 into why 2? Because 2 moles are taken, that's why 2 into 39 for potassium, 35.5 for chlorine, 3 into 16 for 3 oxygen atoms, and here 3 into 2 into 16. So a total of 245 grams, 96 grams. That's why we can say that 245 grams of KClO3 produces 96 grams of oxygen. In another words, we can also say that 2 moles of KClO3 produces 3 moles of oxygen. So now we have to calculate 1 mole of KClO3 produces how much moles of oxygen. So 3 by 2 moles of oxygen. 3 by 2 moles means we have to convert it into grams. So 48 grams, right? So 48 grams of oxygen comes from 245 divided by 2 grams KClO3, because 1 mole is taken and this was the mass of 2 moles, that's why. So we have to determine 7.6 grams of oxygen comes from how many grams? 7.6 to 48 grams of KClO3. Okay, so the answer is 19.3958 grams of KClO3. Okay, so now we can calculate the percentage of KClO3 in the mixture, because the mixture is total of 24 grams. So percentage of KClO3 in the mixture is what? 19.3958 divided by 24 into 100. That means 80.813 or 80.813%. Okay, so in my next videos I will discuss about more numerical problems on this chapter. So stay tuned with my channel and like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.